Good morning, everybody. What day are we? I think we're Sunday. This morning I have to go sell a pair of shoes to someone. I have to sell my Concord 11th lows because I never wear them. The sole is still blue, so if you guys are in Montreal, follow me on Instagram and you guys will see, I think the tag is called, it's like a highlight, the highlight's called Sneaker Bay. And you can see some of the shoes I'm selling. So I have to go sell some shoes. I'm wearing sunglasses in the house because my allergies. I look like I've been crying for hours. Like this whole section right here burns. I woke up, my eyes were practically shut closed like this, like completely shut. I still have fucking shit in my eyes. This reminds me of the Haiti vlog. If you guys watched my Haiti vlog, I was complaining about my allergies, like I think like twice, 2 or 3 times during the vlog. Like obviously I cut some out because I was complaining about it so much. My whole family, like my mom's side, they're notorious for fucking allergies. It was my mom's birthday yesterday, so we got her favorite Moscato, which is this one. And instead of buying the weight for the balloons, we just attached it to the wine bottle. Well, the wine bottle, yeah. So we got a yellow happy birthday and these like pearl ones. Like they look plain, but they actually aren't. They're like coated with like a pearl paint-ish. I don't know. They're like pearl. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, and yeah, they made it look cute. This is a cute gift, like for someone. It is their birthday. I'm really good with like inexpensive gift ideas. Yeah, so I could make a video on that. Anyways. So I just did my hair, just a slick pony. The amount of product a black girl needs to get a slick pony is ridiculous. Jimmy told me today, I don't want you to wear makeup. That's probably most likely because he doesn't want to wait for me. I'm gonna show you guys my boy beat. Is pretty much what I do when it's like a no makeup thing. I was gonna do a full tutorial on this, but like it literally takes 5 minutes. So I already moisturized my skin. I use the Miniso Intensive Hydration Moisturizer. And this is literally all I do. Take an illuminating primer. Today I'm using the Cover FX Illuminating Primer. And I just apply this just like a moisturizer over my skin because I love like glowy skin. And I'm really blessed that like my face isn't really lighter than the rest of my body, so I can get away with like no makeup. And I take my Ardell brow building fiber gel, looks like this, and I just apply this on my eyebrows, go upwards in the front, and then back I just swoop it like this. And this just gives more the appearance of more brow hairs. I really wanted to wear makeup today, but it's fine. It's not that I do what he says, it's just that I often wear makeup, so whenever he wants to see me without it, he just lets me know, like, oh, can you, like, sometimes he's like, I want, like, can you do a bun, or can you put on, like, no makeup, whatever he wants. So, and then after that, I go for a darker highlight than I would usually. So I either use the Maybelline Master Chrome, or I use the Too Faced You Light Up My Life highlighter, because that one is literally gold and not champagne. It's like really gold. So I just take a fan brush. It will look more natural if I'd use like a liquid highlight, but the ones I have, I don't really like them. I'm like kind of in the market for one. And what I do is that I take a big brush and I just pat it into my skin more than for it to sit. And I take a setting spray or hydrating spray or whatever. This one's the Miniso Hydrating and Revitalizing, Soothing Your Skin. It's made with grape. It's made with grape. So I just drench my face in this. I think I'm gonna do that today. I do have pretty long lashes myself, but I don't want to wear mascara, so I'm just going to apply these number 11s. This is my last pair. And then for my lips, I either go with a lip balm. There's the Papa one that's like pretty much Vaseline, and I do that. And I just put lip gloss. This one is a Joe Fresh lip gloss. It's a clear one. It used to be clear. And I just...
Oh, you got one.
I told you. Didn't know that? Buddy, so this is today's outfit. We are Tuesday. I am going to Ikea. Oh my god, camel toe. We are going to Ikea. I have to go pick up things for the wall over here because it's too empty. I'm wearing sports bra from Walmart. Biker shorts are from Ardennes. They were like $5. They're really cute and they're not see-through, which is really nice. And guys, I am not wearing my Air Force Ones because the laces are getting cleaned. So today I'm wearing my Air Jordan 3s. They are the True Blue 3s. They're really cute and Jimmy's wearing them too. So we're like matching today. So yeah, this is today's outfit.
You lose your mind.
Guys, I just broke my necklace and I'm really sad.
Good job. I'll buy you shit for you to break it.
Yeah, it's just, I actually, when he gave it to me, I actually had a feeling because if you see, it's so thin. It's like really thin, and as I was like, you know, doing my little hair flip, I like, and it broke. It's funny, but it's sad at the same time. I think I'm gonna bring it somewhere to get it fixed. So yeah, we just got to Ikea. It's gonna be lit. I think it looks cute.
Pour 2%, tu penses c'est cute?
It's okay. It's not. I feel like it's too dark.
Okay, please.
Oh my god, dining table.
Oh, there's actually fucking coffee, bro.
No, you're lying. Ew. Someone did this.
Yeah, this goes.
Someone did this.
Come to the couch.
I thought you were gonna do something really perverted. I know you. I know.
She's always trying to be like me, bro. Always, bro.
What? Are you talking shit?
Yup.
Are you talking shit?
I was trying to be like me. Yo, my head is super dark, bro.
I always tell him when we go out and he's gonna be like tanning, I tell him take off your shirt because your head is brown and the rest of your body is white. Okay, that's just not cute.
Look at yourself talking doo-doo. Look at talking flute. Alright, so the vlog ends here. Good night, guys.
You're the worst.
Alright, so we back. Oh. Yeah, so we back. Yeah, I feel cross-eyed. Because every time I record, I look at the camera. No, the
You are
video.
cross-eyed. Sorry to break it to you.
Yeah, that's what people say, but I'm not, yo.
I just picked up these pillow covers and a cutting board. Oh, they have white. Should we get white?
Alright, so before coming here, my mom asked me to tell Darcia to get candles because they fucking love candles, you know, so she told me to like push her to buy some. What? Nothing? You almost done?
Candles.
How many you getting? I mean, get a lot though, cause.
Do you even like candles like that?
Yeah, but à la maison comme il y en a presque plus.
Okay.
Go.
You look suspicious.
How? We just need candles. That's all we need. Alright. Since she got it ready, I'm gonna add 2 more. She's not looking. Oh. She's not looking. Did you find anything?
Can I get this from my mom? Like you buy like these?
Yeah. And
Like
put it outside?
And then like fine.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cute.
How much is that though?
The price doesn't
It's
say.
like that they have like it's 1 flavor per pack. Like I don't want 50 of 50 of these. What did I say flavor? Scent. I just want to update you guys on the pictures. Pick both of them up. So these are the, what are these? What's the name of this thing? What is this? I know it's a cadre in French. A frame. Bruh. It's a frame. Yeah, I picked up these frames from Ikea yesterday. As you guys know, these were like $7. They're called the Fisk Bow. I didn't want something too thick, so these were really cool because they're really thin and they're flat. Yeah, I like them. They feel pretty cheap, but it's literally like, what am I gonna do with this besides hanging on the wall, you know? I doubt someone's gonna go on my wall and feel it and be like, this feels really cheap. And then this is the next one I got. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change. So this is a quote. So I'm gonna hang both of these on this wall. So this wall, I kind of like this wall. This is the wall where my bed is like against. I like this wall. It's just that I really hate the fact that I hate my filming equipment. Like I love it because it works so well, but it's so clunky and big and I just can't right now. Sorry for the messy bed. But well, my bed's done. It's just there's stuff on it. But yeah, I like this wall. It's a really like plain white wall. I'm gonna clean it. There's like a stain. I can see it on the camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna apply both of these here. I think I'm gonna switch my filming equipment to over there in the corner where the wig is. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, honestly. The filming equipment is literally what ruins my room completely. But yeah, look at how cute these pillows look on my bed. I feel like they accentuate my bed like more. The Marilyn Monroe pillow, I'm sorry if that offends you, but I don't really care for Marilyn Monroe like that for me to have her picture. I just feel like it's a nice pillow. Yeah, so I got it from my grandma. My grandma just gave it to me, so I just added it to the picture. I am planning on filming. My God, why am I talking like this? I am planning on filming a room tour soon. I'm just waiting to buy a rug. I want like a nice fur rug, but like a faux fur rug, but I don't want to spend like $200 on it. So when I find one that's really good, apparently Amazon has really good ones. Then when I find it, I'll clean my room completely and then do a room tour for you guys because I know that's really, really requested.